Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps, the place where we are today not making soap at all. So my brother Kenny is back. He is being a special guest today because he wanted me to do something crazy.
Dyeing my hair purple.
Now why he asked me to be the one to bleach his hair when I have zilch experience, I don't know.
Money, 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 money. Have to save that money. And we had planned to do this during times where you weren't able to get haircuts or get your hair done, but it's taken so long that now all of the salons are opening, so it doesn't really make any sense. But
no.
Too late, we have the stuff.
And stuff we do have. As you can see, we did our best to do our research. My worst nightmare is ending up in a Brad Mondo video. I did not want the king to roast me. So I have all of the things that were recommended in his videos. I also watched some Guy Tang videos. I watched a lot of videos from people just doing this at home, and I think I can do something at least close to what Kenny wants. I will throw up a picture right now on the screen. Oh, this is what he wants. You picked one of the hardest things to do. He didn't want to just be like, dye my hair black. Like, boy, we just dumped some junk on it. He's like, I want you to lighten it, go silver tone, pastel purple, you know, the thing that other people train years to do.
That's because pastel's the best color. I want it to look beautiful.
And so, my friends, we begin this journey. It is 7:30 at night. I'm sure we'll be done at 2. Look at this luscious head of hair. So greasy. We haven't washed in how many days?
3.
That's what King Brad said. That's what we do. So first, I have to mix up the bleach. I have 40 volume developer because that's what Guy Tang used on Joey Graceffa's hair and it turned out fly.
I'm pretty sure that Brad Mondo said that 40 was too intense for anybody. Right?
I know, but Guy Tang used it and it turned out good, so... Now, because I am a soap maker, I have fancy soap equipment, which means that I can very accurately measure both my developer and my bleach because I have a digital scale.
Uh-oh, somebody has too small of a container.
Did you ever name your cat?
No, I should call him Meow. Meow, the assassin!
He's my favorite character.
I will kill you, Finn!
Does this look right to y'all?
Doesn't look right to me.
Looks excellent to me. Sit thee in thy chair, and in the words of Madam Sapaniffy, let's get crackin'.
Crackin'?
Alright, but seriously, if you want to change your mind, now's the time.
Do I have a reason to change my mind?
Oh, absolutely not.
Is something going wrong?
No one tells you how bad this stuff stinks. I am doing everything but his roots off the start here because we don't want hot roots. It is really, really saturated. I'm trying to do my due diligence with you here.
Yeah, I got kind of dark brown-ish, red-ish hair.
I'm gonna say it's a level 5. So what have you been doing with yourself since you left Royalty Soaps?
Hiding indoors. Protecting grandmothers like I'm supposed to do.
Sounds fun.
I've been streaming all of the time, and I'll tell you what. I have been putting off my trips. I've been wanting to travel around the country, and I'm putting it in the schedule. I'm actually going to go somewhere in like the coming weeks.
Finally.
Finally. Yeah, I don't see I wasn't gonna take a selfie, I was gonna look at it.
Now, I'm gonna take these little baby pieces and put them in some foil.
Is this foil infused with vitamin D for improved hair growth?
Of course.
I think that's not vitamin D. Argan oil for healthful hair?
My shampoo bar has argan oil.
Getting a plug in there somewhere, come on.
Well, I'm plugging all these other companies, I might as well plug mine.
Hey yo, go buy from Squeaky Peach Soaps.
Her soaps are adorable. Now, I shall wrap your head in plastic wrap.
Oh, what? I don't get a hairnet? Whoa, hey. What is this? Am I a tattoo now?
30 minutes on the clock, starting now. Okay guys, time to do the roots. I'm going to unwrap his wee head.
But it hasn't been 30 minutes yet.
It's close enough.
Close enough? How approximate is this process?
It's almost white. It looks awesome.
Hey.
You're gonna love it.
I have good hair.
You do. So now I'm gonna do his roots. I'm gonna try to section everything off. Every time I watch videos, I see them put it on in the teeny tiniest, like they're pulling the tiniest little bitty pieces, and that's what I'm trying to do so I can make sure the whole hair is completely covered.
Yeah, there's some guy that I saw do pastel on another hair artist, so you know he's gonna be real picky.
Yeah.
And he was doing like a bajillion little layers, and I was like, that looks like a lot of work. But then he ended up looking like he had cotton candy on his head, and I was like, okay.
Wow.
That's why.
Okay. So now that I've done all that, what? Is that
I was gonna say, okay.
Oh.
They should make a hair challenge TV show that's called Bleached. Like inked.
Kenny, that's such a good idea.
Yes.
How long have you been thinking about this?
About 10 seconds. I said it as soon as I thought it.
What, really? I thought this was something you were like, I have considered.
Have you seen that show where they like make characters and they put on like fake faces and stuff? Like creature art? I don't know what it's called.
No.
What is that called whenever you do like special effects, I guess?
I guess so, yeah.
Special effects makeup? Yeah, and they do challenges and stuff. It is crazy. Sometimes they they'll have like, I saw one of them where they were making fantasy characters.
Right.
And all of the models had like bodysuits on to make themselves look like goblins and stuff.
Really?
It was wild.
That is wild.
Lord Bellamy's fallen down the stairs again. He's broken his legs. Both of them, yes.
For those of y'all wondering if this is what it's like living with Kenny, is doing mundane tasks while he narrates a whole TV show, the answer is yes.
This is why I don't have roommates. Did you get on my forehead?
I don't think so. Question mark. Sorry.
This feels like a premium spa experience.
Leans forward. A nasty nuzzle.
Hey, do not insult my nuzzle. What?
You look like the guy in the
Safety.
video. It's like
Feel actually protected from aliens. It's a fringe benefit. And it looks stupid, which is
a benefit for me.
Also a benefit, I suppose.
I say we should leave it just like this. You should go home and be
I'm gonna go home, and as soon as I get home, my hair will all fall out. Because you're not supposed to bleach it more than an hour.
Wow.
How does it look?
It looks really good.
Hey.
I mean, I'm a little surprised. Alright, well, I think that's lifted as much as I'm ever going to be able to get it. So now I'm going to go rinse his hair off and we will bring shiny white Kenny back. I am so sweaty and gross, but Kenny's hair has been rinsed out. We're going to use this ion sensitive salp? Rad. 20 volume developer with this Ion Bright White Cream Toner in Lavender Moon. I picked the Lavender Moon because we're gonna dye his hair purple anyway, so I thought, won't that just boost my chances of getting it to the right color faster? Guys, look at this. I'm so delighted. Obviously, there's still some spots that have a little bit of red in it. Kenny has a naturally, like, really red tone to his hair. But this is pre-toner, so I'm really not worried at all. I'm just thrilled to death.
It reminds me that today I streamed me doing name all the states in the U.S. Where it just had an empty map and it made you name all the states, and I got 53%.
Really?
Horrible.
That's really bad.
But they also had world capitals, and that was impossible.
World capitals?
Yeah, where
I feel like I would be good at that.
No, you wouldn't. It's ridiculous. These countries you've never even heard of. You know, there's a country called Chad.
Yeah, it's in Africa.
Yeah, well, I don't think you know what its capital is going to be, do you?
No, I don't.
No.
You guys, our friend Garrett is here, and he has not seen Kenny since he got his hair bleached. Let's do a reveal. Dun 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 dun.
What? Almost looks like you don't have any hair.
What do you think?
What?
You've done this before.
Yes, I was a lot more brass and yellow than I was when I bleached it, so I mean...
Next time, come to Katie's hair salon. She'll fix you
Yes.
up.
Moral of the story, Katie's better than your girlfriend.
Better at bleaching hair, I'll say.
Alright.
Okay, top done.
Top Gun. Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
No. I wonder if I need to wrap up your head.
That's something that you probably should have researched.
You just gotta wing it.
I don't do that. That makes me uncomfortable.
A wing.
In soap making, that makes me delighted. But in hair doing, that does not. Look at this. Do you see this going all,
Hair doing.
all
I wanna
purpley
touch
gray?
it. I wanna touch it.
Don't touch it with your bare hands, boy.
Is there a King of England?
No, it's the queen. The queen.
I thought, but queens marry kings, right?
Ouch. I don't know what to do with you now. We've crossed a line here. You guys, this is going so well. Ta-da!
What do you think? I think it looks great.
Yes!
Dried and everything.
Dried and everything. There's a few little brassy bits, but it's not bad, and it certainly is a great jumping off point for what we're trying to do, which is purple. So for the dyeing part, we're going to use a mix of sterling and periwinkle. I'm gonna do 50% sterling, 50% periwinkle on his roots, and then 75% periwinkle and 25% sterling. So hopefully it'll fade out a little and it'll be cute. Here we go.
Off to Neverland.
That's right. So when I was looking at the colors for the hair dye based on the pictures that Kenny sent me, I applied my soap making knowledge of color blending and was like, if I want a darker purple, I add black oxide. So if I want a darker purple with hair dye, I should add a silver.
I am not a soap. This is pretty great.
How's
Does it feel good?
I like pampering. Reminds me of whenever we used to play games where we had fake economies
Yes.
and you and Caroline would give like hand massages.
Yes.
And that was your skill.
I was always doing stuff like this. This has always been my thing.
It was great. Everybody needs some pampering every now and again.
Agreed.
So, as y'all can see by this lovely...
Is this purple?
Can we please leave it like that?
It is time to add the really, really purple perp on top.
Tell me how you're keeping insured hair in the black. When you're giving every Sally sob story that gives you a phone call.
We marinate for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is what Kenny's hair looks like. I still have to blow it dry, but it looks really, really good.
He has not seen his hair yet.
That's right.
Big reveal.
So this is what it looks like. It does have little bits of silver and then little bits of purple in it. I love it. I think it looks so good. I can't wait for Kenny to see. Okay, you can turn around and look.
Whoa! Cool, awesome sauce. I love it.
I'm glad.
I love it. It's aggressive.
Yeah.
And I think that it goes with my hair. It looks good. I love it.
Yes!
Thank you, Katie.
Mission
Got it.
accomplished!
Yes!
Thanks
No
for
high
coming.
five for him.
Oh. Well, thank you very much for coming to Royalty Soaps and letting me experiment with your hair. Next time, we'll go even more purple. Y'all be sure to do something fun for yourself today, whether that is going out and having a friend or sister attempt to lighten your hair and color it. Or maybe being smart and going to a professional. Either way, do something that makes you happy and we'll see you guys soon. So until next time, bye for now.
Bye.